nataka niwaombe kabla hamjaenda nyumbani. Kwa heshima tu, kabla hamjaenda nyumbani, nataka mupitie hapa Mukuru. Mwende muone hapo Mukuru. Because hapo Mukuru, we have only built 13,000 units. We are going to build 10,000 units in Gusii town, so that you begin to internalize how Gusii town is going to look when you see Mukuru. Today, there are 320,000 young people working in the affordable housing program. Architects, engineers, masons, carpenters, steel fixers, nini, watu ya mkono, electricians, everybody. And by the end of this year, we will have escalated to 600,000 people. By next year, fikia June, we will have 1 million people working in the housing program, including the ones who will be working hapo Gusii kwa hiyo kiwanja ya prison. Mnanielewa? I told you, jobs are created, they don't happen. So that's why housing is important. Today, we are building houses, we are building markets, we are building hostels, and this country is going to change. The largest housing development in any town in Kenya today is affordable housing. In any town, Mandera, Garissa, Mombasa, Nairobi, Eldoret, Kiambu, wherever. The largest housing development is affordable housing.